Introducing the Exo Cinemaster 2, the professionally capturing, reliably flying, one-of-a-kind 4K drone. Now, let's talk about that camera. The Cinemaster captures 4K video and 10-megapixel photos on a 3-axis gimbal. With a 1/2.3-inch Sony sensor, it picks up over 90 million colors and has adjustable settings so you can always dial in that shot. In one word, this camera is epic. It gets the images you want every time. But what's a great camera without an amazing quadcopter to fly on? Cinemaster 2 handles as well as any drone you can fly. With intuitive speed and movement controls, this drone is so fun to fly, it's worth a spot in your hangar even without the camera. Power it up to a zippy 27 miles per hour in sport mode. Or slow it down to 13 for the perfect shot. Fly longer with a 28-minute per battery flight time and never worry about going out of range with a 1/2 mile control distance and auto return at lost connection feature. Cinemaster 2's wind resistance is unprecedented. And the hover is our steadiest yet. A drone this dependable gives the control back to you and provides memorable flights every time. It's time to take to the skies and let the good times roll with the Cinemaster 2. Get the drone you've always wanted and some with the all-new Exo Cinemaster.